kami pupunta sa may Mount Samat. Kaya lang, ang kapal-kapal ng ulap dun sa itaas. So, not sure if makikita ba. Pero, ayan, yan. Nasa harapan na ulit. Ayun, pupunta sana kami doon sa may Mount. Ay, sorry, nakatingala pala. Ayan, pupunta sana kami dyan. But, you can see that big cloud. Okay, paakyat na kami ng bundok. In fairness, maganda yung kalsada. At saka medyo malawak siya. Medyo slightly matarik lang. Pero manageable naman ang kanyang incline.
Sa ngayon.
Sa ngayon, we'll see. Parang I take back what I said. Na hindi siya ganun katarik. Medyo matarik din siya. Nagpatay na nga kami ng aircon. Kasi baka hindi kaya niya nakasakyan. Kakayanin ba?
Kayang-kaya.
Kayang-kaya. Pero medyo matarik siya. Ay, wow. Ito yung dadaanan namin. Chini! Oh, zigzag.
Lalaki. Pero mas malaking zigzag.
Oo. Malapit na pala kami. 3 minutes away. Okay, so may entrance pala siya na ganito. 6 below, walang bayad.
Yes po.
7 above, 50 pesos.
50 plus 50 parking.
Okay.
Tapos, tama lang kayo sa orientation ko sa guest house. Ako, assisting ng guardia.
Lolo po kami doon. Okay, salamat po.
May orientation palang magaganap. Okay, we're here.
Yan, so andito na kami sa Dambana ng Kagitingan and may orientation muna daw. Pero, kita na namin siya. Ayun!
It's there!
It's there! Can you see it?
Yeah.
Alright, so punta muna daw kami sa orientation. So, baka may mga i-discuss sila.
Yeah, I want to know about this place as well.
It's historical.
Lord. Historical place. The Filipinos March, I think?
Yeah. Wow! Can you show me your stamp?
Come on!
Yeah!
Stamps! No!
These are our stamps!
Take a picture of our stamps. Tita Beth, kasama ka? Ano tayo? Let's vote in. Yay! 1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
Smile! Smile yung kamay. Yeah.
Okay, smile.
Okay, come on. Oh, wanna pee first?
Nag-pee naman sila.
Okay, come on.
Hello, we're here at the Dambana ng Kagitingan. It's a giant cross. It's used to commemorate the heroes that fought in the war. Yeah, we already did that once.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we
Where?
went hiking.
Hiking?
Yeah.
This time.
remember?
You think you can climb that?
Remember when we went there? Let's take the stairs.
Take the stairs.
Was it in Bohol?
I'm not sure if I'm prepared for this. I didn't take my pain meds.
Mama, was it in Bohol?
I thought we're just gonna drive there.
I thought so, too.
I didn't know there was a climb.
Are you ready, Iris?
Yeah. Mama.
Are you ready?
Yeah, today. Mama.
She's ready.
The last time we did it, was it in Bohol?
Bohol?
We haven't
No, we
been to
haven't
Oh, yeah,
been to Bohol.
It's there.
It's Mount Balagbag. Akyat na kami ni Daddy. Daddy, are you ready? Sabi, pagka-paakyat na, gagamitin daw namin itong kalsada. So, itong road. And then, pagpapaba,
Stairs.
na kami. Tapos, tinanong din namin si Ate kung ano ba yung course na yan. Kasi, sorry na, hindi kami magaling sa history. Ano daw siya, tinayo daw siya for the mga bayani daw na nakipaglaban sa din. Akala ko ito yung nagmarcha sila, yung
Diba,
death march.
sabi niya before daw noon, nung ito yung last battle bago sila sumuko.
Ano ba yung last battle na yun?
Anong...
Why did
Hindi ko alam. Siguro lang yung bataan.
O, ayun.
So sabi nung ate, dito daw yung last battle nung sinuko yung bataan. After nun, saka nag-death march.
Then they died.
Kasi nag-surrender na yung mga
Bakit tinawag na Death March? Alam mo?
Eh kasi ang haba ng march nila. Tapos sa Bataan din. So, hindi ko alam. Maybe we need to review our history.
Hindi na namin alam kung ano ang history.
Kailangan natin mag-review ng history.
Oh, tinatanong tayo nila, ano raw yung Death March?
Maybe that's your homework, Kuya Lens.
Yeah. Sabi ni Daddy, ito yung hula ni Daddy daw. When they finally lost in the battle, they had to do a very long march.
Yeah,
That's
that's
why
the
it's called
Death March.
the Death March.
But this was the place of the battle. This was the last battle they fought before they surrendered, and the Filipino army. And then when they surrendered, as an execution, I think,
As a punishment.
punishment, yeah, they
Why do we
they did the Death March.
Oh,
'Cause they lost.
They lost. So yung enemies nila, pinag-march sila ng matagal. Pero we have to confirm that.
I-check natin na bawal fake news.
Oh yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, confirm nila.
I have a book. What's landslide?
Nag-landslide daw dito.
Hello! So yan, umakyat sila. And so nandito na kami ngayon sa Dambana ng Kagatingan. Yeah, there's a big Christmas tree.
And a small size one.
Ang ganda ng parang it's very well maintained.
Oh, tapos man siya,
Ganda rin yung
peaceful, calm.
Oo, maganda yung pagkaka-landscape nila. Ang ganda ng mga halaman. Mga parang pang malamig, mga pine trees.
Pine tree.
ganyan.
Mama,
Tapos kitang-kita mo yung Manila Bay.
Hindi ko nga alam kung ano ba yung nasa harapan natin eh.
Manila Bay.
Manila Bay daw.
Pero andun yung Metro Manila.
Dadayo.
Yan yung edge.
Hurry up there because
There-
it might fall on us.
There are people climbing up. Do you wanna climb up pa? What about you, Kuya Lens?
Never.
Ha?
Never.
Sige mo,
Never?
i-close up mo yung pawis ng anak mo. Dali, anak,
Pawis
get in
na?
front of the camera.
Did you take a bath? Wow, ah. Partida malamig pa dito. Well, hindi ganun kainit, pero grabe ah.
Inaaya namin yung mga bata na umakyat pa doon kasi may hagdanan pa para
May mga
makarating
tao
dyan.
dun eh, no?
Oo, pero ayaw na nila. Pawis na sila. Sabi ni ate kanina sa baba, nakakapag-elevator daw dyan dati.
Oo.
Kaya lang, parang the building is now, ano ba, 1960s pa daw yan eh. So 50 plus years old na daw. So for ano pa siya,
So makakakat ka dun sa arms ng cross, pero ngayon hindi na.
yun sa arms, elevator.
Yan. So dito na kami. What you're climbing is missile.
It's a big bullet.
Yeah. Those are used during the war.
Cannon bullets.
Yeah.
Missiles are big bullets.
Yeah, look at that. That's how big they are.
Let's go in it.
Let's check out that place. Look, oh, there are relief sculptures.
What's that?
Oh, these are the Japanese. It's all about Japanese battle. Japanese annihilated at the battle points. Nice.
Is that an actual gun?
Look, it's a machine gun.
Is that an actual gun?
I think so.
Okay, can we shoot it?
Maybe. It's no longer working.
Why?
That's still, that was used during the war.
It's too old.
Yeah. Oh, you see? It doesn't work. Don't you worry. The kids are so scared.
Tumitirik na yung araw, sakto. Baba na kami. Stairs na daw pababa. Come on!